Hey everyone! In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link on your computer. It's simple once you know what to look for, so let's jump in. So first thing, go ahead and open the shared link you were given. It should pop up in your browser like Chrome or, whatever you're using. Next, look for the New button or a little plus icon on the left side. If you see that, you're good to upload. If nothing shows up there, you probably don't have permission. So, yeah, you'd have to ask the folder owner. All right, so the easiest way to upload is just dragging and dropping. Open your File Explorer on your computer, grab whatever file or folder you want, and drop it right into the Google Drive window. You'll see an upload bar pop up in the bottom corner. If you prefer menus, you can also click New, then choose File Upload or Folder Upload. This opens your computer's file picker so you can select exactly what you want. Pretty straightforward, yeah. And if Google suddenly asks you to sign in, that just means uploads are restricted to logged in users. Just sign in with your Gmail and you can continue. So if uploads fail or the buttons just aren't there, it usually means you only have viewer access. In that case, you'll need the owner to switch your role to contributor or editor. Otherwise, Google won't let you upload anything. One more thing. If the link opens a single file instead of a folder, you can't upload to that. Just ask for the correct folder link, and you'll be set. And that's it. Uploading to a shared Google Drive link is super quick once you know where everything is. Thanks for watching, and yeah, hope this helped.